Hello and welcome to the Coding Challenge. We're excited to kick off our Coding Challenge this Friday. Before we begin, there are a few things you'll need to be aware. Every Friday, you'll receive a video tutorial at the email address you've registered for the challenge. If you want to receive a challenge to a different email address, just let us know. You can also find the challenge on our website. In your browser type www.codingzone.com.au. Then, click to the Coding Challenge link at the top menu. On the website, you'll find a leadership board showing all participants and their progress. If you scroll down, you'll see different challenge sections. Clicking on each challenge will take you to a different page, where you can watch the video, complete the challenge, and submit your work. Next, you'll need to create a Trinket account if you don't already have one. If you already have a Trinket account, make sure you remember your login details. To create a new account, simply type trinket.io in the browser. Then click on Sign Up link and create new account. It's quite straightforward. Once you've created an account, let's log in. And I'll show you how to use it. Now that we're logged in, let's create a new blank document. Click New Trinket button and select Python, the first one. Here's our online coding editor, where you can write code. By clicking on this button, you can execute your code and see the results on the right-hand side. Remember, to save your work, or you'll lose everything. Click on the Save button and give your file a proper name, such as Challenge 1, and click Save again. Now that you know how to use Trinket, let me show you how to submit your projects. To submit your challenge, you need to share your Trinket URL. Click on Share button, then select Link. Copy this link. This is the link you need to submit with your challenge. Then go back to Coding Zone website. Navigate to the challenge project that you want to submit. On this page, enter your name, surname, and paste the URL from Trinket that you just copied. There's also a comment section, so if you have any questions or you need some assistance to fix your errors, you can write your questions here. Finally, click Submit button. Once you've submitted, I'll receive an email with your details and will review your submissions and assign your points. Now, let's revise the Coding Challenge rules. You'll have 1 week to complete your project. For each completed and fully working project, you will get 5 points. If your project is partially completed or has minor errors, you'll still get 3 points. You can submit your project after the deadline too, no worries with that, but you won't receive any additional points. Now, let's talk about additional points. You'll receive 1 additional point if you submit your project before 8:30 AM on the following Friday. If you're the first to submit your project before the deadline, you'll get an extra 1 point. You'll also earn 1 point if your code is clean and well structured. Receive an additional 1 point for the creativity beyond the project description. Another 1 point you can get for an interesting approach or use a unique technique while completing your project. The leadership board will be updated weekly, at the same time you receive the next challenge. You can check the board to see your progress and points. Remember, it's all about having fun while learning and coding. Get ready, we will start this Friday.